What is up, YouTubers? Today I kind of want to talk to you a little bit about soldering irons. I have probably a half a dozen soldering irons. Some of them were mine, some of them I got when my dad had passed away. A lot of the older ones, like this one, I really like this one. Dad's had it for, I bet it's as old as I am or older. I have one that he'd give me, one of hand-me-down ones, and it's been a pretty good soldering iron also. You know, there's nothing, this is a Weller APEC. It was, I believe it's made in North Carolina. This one has been a fairly decent soldering iron. Let's walk over here to my toolbox. I want to show you one of the ones that I really like a lot. And, you know, I'd show you the rest of these, but they're all pretty close to being the same, the gun type. But let's walk over here to my toolbox if I can get through this. I've been cleaning my garage, trying to straighten up. You know, I know a lot of guys use different soldering irons and things, and if you do any wiring and stuff, you need a good soldering iron. Set you guys up here. Hopefully you won't fall down. Give me a minute. Alright, anyway, I've got several different type. This one here is a battery operated one. I can't even talk today. It's a B645 Weller. I think that's how you pronounce it. When I first got this, Buddy and I were in a spot that you couldn't get a normal soldering iron in. You couldn't do a whole awful lot with it, the area we were working, and so I run down to the local, I believe it was Radio Shack's where I got it, and it takes the three of the I believe it's AA batteries. They're the smaller batteries. It's 4.5 volts. But guys, this will do just like one of these propane torches. This thing will burn you even, and it does an awesome job. So if you have small, you know, small stuff and you don't want a corded one, or you know, you're afraid, some of the guys don't like the butane because, you know, if they set them in a car or whatever, this is instant. You know, you just turn it on and you push it, and it, you know, it gets hot pretty much instantly, is what I like about it. And the only thing I didn't care on it is you got a little trigger here that you have to do, and it's kind of cumbersome, you know, when you're got your solder and you're trying to get your solder in there in, you know, in some tight places. But this one has saved my butt I don't know how many times, and I keep it right here on top of my toolbox. It comes with a little case, you know, it's a handy little case, and then the instructions, and then it comes with, I guess you could use it to help support it. It's supposed to go in this little groove to hold it up. I use it a lot for just cleaning the stuff off of the end and the tip. But overall, this one, I like it quite a bit. I don't know, you know, if somebody told me they make an upgrade version of this. I haven't seen it. You know, I've had this one a couple years. It's just been a handy little soldering iron. And then, of course, you've got a variety of different ones. You know, I've bought them over the years. That's why I say I'm really solder iron poor. This one here has been a pretty good one. It was also from Radio Shack. What I liked about it It come in a case at the time. It had the different tips and stuff. I've got the tips around here somewhere, but I'm not sure where it is, but you can replace that. And you can get online and order different deals. And I think you can use this one for wood burning also. It was a universal one. I believe that's why I bought it. And then you have your butane one. This, in my opinion, is... I'm really not impressed with it, guys. You know, it was $50 some. It come with different attachments. The only thing I don't care about it is when you go to start it, it does not start. It really aggravates the heck out of me, especially when you need something like this. You know, and I've filled it all the way up with the butane and things. Snap-on has, and you guys have all seen this one before, and I talked to the Snap-on guy. They do make attachments for these, and some of them I think you can get the kit with this same attachment here and put on it. If not, you can go, I think I've seen some at Lowe's and Home Depot that will fit on here, and it's just screw type, and you could probably just use an attachment. The only thing is with this one's for more, I think, doing the heat shrink stuff and that. I use this more for that. I don't know. I mean, you can regulate the heat with it, but you know, I would be afraid to use this inside of a car. You know, if it fell over or whatever, you're taking a chance of burning somebody's interior or something like that. So that's kind of why I went that route, is with this one here. It's just all around handy. And like I said, it does the trick, guys. I mean, 3 little batteries, and you know, you don't have to worry about something falling over or burning the interior of a car, or if you're inside of a trunk. You know, I've pulled the speakers right out of the back, put new speakers in, soldered them, and you know, you're ready to go, and you don't have to worry about a cord. You don't have to worry about, you know, like I said, one of them others falling over and that. And that's kind of why I wanted to just talk a little bit. I didn't know if any of you guys had seen this one. Like I said, it's a handy little deal. It's got, you know, it comes with a little bit of solder if you get it. I think you can get them not only at shoot, I can't even think of the get them at Radio Shack. You can also get them other places. I think you can get them at just about any parts store or anything like that. So you know, that's one of them deals that I just thought I'd share with you a little bit, and you know, just kind of share it a little bit. And that's really all I have for you today. Thanks again for watching my videos. Like, subscribe, comment, and God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.